Cold open, the uncanny valley, midnight to 1 o'clock. Visual, no intro music. We open on a tight, intimate shot of your face, speaking directly to the camera with sincere concern. What if I told you this isn't me? Your face glitches, subtly morphs into a different person, a politician, a celebrity, back to you. It's seamless. Audio, a low, unsettling synth drone fades in. Script. The voice you're hearing, the face you're seeing, could be a perfect lie, a digital puppet. And this technology isn't locked in a lab. It's on the internet, right now rewriting reality. Visual, rapid, impactful montage. News headlines about fraud, a horrified person looking at a fake image, a geopolitical analyst looking worried. The title, The Dark Side of AI, Deepfakes Explained, slams onto the screen in a clean, bold font. Cut back to you, now in your primary set, a study, a clean studio with bookshelf background. Script. We're entering a new age of disinformation, where seeing is no longer believing. This is a direct assault on truth, consent, and our very sense of reality. Today, we're not just explaining deepfakes, we're investigating their profound danger. Visual, on-screen graphics show a simple timeline. Photoshop, 1990s, Dash face swap apps, 2010s, Dash AI deepfakes today. Show playful, early internet memes juxtaposed with a hyper-realistic deepfake clip. Script. We've had manipulated media for decades, but this is different. This is automated, scalable, and personal. It's the difference between a forger painstakingly copying a banknote and a printer that can mass-produce perfect counterfeits. Animated explainer segment. Two cartoon AI characters appear, a mischievous forger and a skeptical inspector. The forger creates a fake picture of a cat. The inspector points out flaws, wrong whiskers. The forger tries again, learning. The cycle speeds up until the inspector is fooled. Script. This magic, or rather this danger, comes from something called a generative adversarial network, GAN. It's a digital arms race inside a computer. One AI generates fakes, the other discriminates, trying to catch them. They battle millions of times, and the generator becomes scarily good. This is the engine of the deepfake. You speak with gravity. B-roll shows abstract, non-explicit imagery. A blurred photo on a phone screen. A woman's distressed silhouette against a window. Use infographics with sobering stats, e.g., 96% of deepfakes are non-consensual pornography. Script. The most widespread and damaging use is a digital form of sexual violence. By scraping a person's social media, your sister's, your friend's, yours, an AI can generate explicit content. This isn't just fake porn. It's image-based sexual abuse, causing profound psychological trauma. Recreate a famous deepfake, e.g. the manipulated Nancy Pelosi video, with a clear manipulated watermark. Show maps of elections, social media disinformation graphs. Script. Now scale this to society. Imagine a fake video, released the night before an election, of a candidate confessing to a crime, or a fake audio clip of a general ordering an attack. It creates chaos, and it creates the liar's dividend, where any real damning evidence can be dismissed as a potential fake. Dramatic reconstruction. An employee at a desk gets a phone call. Caller ID shows the CEO's face. A synthesized voice gives urgent wire transfer instructions. Show the perspective of a horrified elderly person on a video call with a grandchild, asking for bail money. Script. The trust we place in voices and faces is now a vulnerability. Voice cloning requires only a few seconds of audio. Pair that with a deepfaked video call, and you have a recipe for devastating financial fraud and blackmail. A social media feed scrolls showing a fake, embarrassing video of a teenager at a party that never happened. The comments section fills with hate. Script. This technology is also a hyper-powered tool for personal revenge and bullying. A few photos are all it takes to put someone in a compromising, humiliating, or illegal scenario, destroying their reputation with friends, family, or employers. Interview clip with a psychologist or academic, or a well-shot piece to camera by you. Use shots of people scrolling through news feeds with skeptical, weary expressions. Script. Beyond individual victims, This erodes our collective foundation. If we can't trust what we see or hear, we retreat into tribes, trusting only what confirms our biases. It breeds a paranoid, cynical society, a state of reality fatigue. Fast-paced montage of phone apps, Discord channels, and GitHub pages where deepfake tools are available show a simple interface where a user drags and drops 2 photos. Script. The scariest part? This is democratizing. We've passed the tipping point. You no longer need a PhD. There are free apps and open source code that can create convincing fakes in minutes. The barrier to weaponize this tech is virtually gone. A split-screen deepfake detective segment. On the left, a suspicious video plays. On the right, graphic overlays highlight flaws as you narrate. Cue the list. Uncanny eyes, no realistic blinking, dead reflection in the cornea. The mouth and teeth. Lip sync is slightly off. Teeth look too uniform or blurry. Hair and edges. Hair doesn't have individual strands. The jawline or neck has a faint, unnatural blur. Lighting and shadows. Inconsistent shadows on the face versus the background. Audio artifacts. A metallic, robotic breath or inconsistent room tone. Animated zoom into a pixel grid. Show how an AI generator creates consistent, subtle patterns, like a digital grain or brushstroke, that human creators don't. Script. Beyond our eyes, AIs leave bloodstains in the data. The neural network imprints specific mathematical artifacts, inconsistent pixel arrangements, strange frequency patterns in the audio. This is the digital fingerprint. A metaphorical animation of a shield being built, then a hammer smashing it, then a stronger shield being built. Script. So we build AI detectors to find these fingerprints. But it's a perfect cat-and-mouse game. As soon as a detector is good, the generator AI learns from it and creates better fakes. It's a relentless, accelerating arms race. Shot of law books gavels, a global map highlighting countries/states with specific deepfake laws, e.g. California, Virginia, South Korea. Script. The law is scrambling to catch up. Some places have banned non-consensual deepfakes, but it's a patchwork. Jurisdiction is a nightmare. If a creator is in one country and a victim in another, who prosecutes? We need robust, international legal frameworks. Logos of major social platforms. Show their policy pages and, if available, their synthetic media warning labels. Script. Tech platforms are the front line. Many now have policies to remove harmful deepfakes and are developing synthetic media labels. But can they scale? Can they moderate millions of uploads in hundreds of languages without over-censoring? It's their defining challenge. Clean animation. A photo is taken on a phone, and a hidden unbreakable digital birth certificate, content credential, is attached. It travels with the media, showing its origin and edits. Script. The most promising tech solution isn't just detection, but provenance. Initiatives like the Content Authenticity Initiative propose baking a cryptographic seal into media at the point of creation. Your camera, your editing software. It's a tamper-proof history of an image's life. You directly addressing the camera, breaking the fourth wall. Simple text overlays with actionable steps. Script. The ultimate defense is you. We must become savvy digital citizens. Pause before you share. Check the source. Is it a reputable outlet? Use reverse image search. Look for verification from multiple angles. Your skepticism is now a civic duty. Positive, uplifting B-roll. A filmmaker using deepfake to de-age an actor. An artist creating a surreal music video. Historical footage of Mandela being upscaled and colorized. Script. To be clear, the tool itself is neutral. It can resurrect history for education, empower creative expression, and restore old films. The danger lies in malicious intent and a lack of consent. You back in your primary set, summarizing. Mix in brief flashes of key visuals from the video. Script. So, deepfakes present us with a fundamental crossroads. They threaten privacy, truth, and security, but they also force us to value context, provenance, and critical thinking. The solution isn't just technological, it's cultural, legal, and educational. Hopeful, determined tone. Shot of diverse people engaging thoughtfully with technology. Script. We can't uninvent this, but we can choose how we respond. Not with paralyzing fear, but with clear-eyed vigilance and a commitment to building a digital world where authenticity is protected and malicious manipulation is identified and punished. Script. Here's your first mission. The next time you see something shocking online, take a breath. Verify. Break the chain of viral misinformation. Script. Talk about this. Share this video with someone who needs to see it. We need a public that understands the threat. Script. What ethical dilemma of AI should we tackle next? Let's discuss in the comments. Your curiosity fuels this channel. Integration idea. Speaking of security and verification, today's video is supported by sponsor, e.g. a password manager/VPN, a tool that helps you protect your digital identity, which is more important than ever. Final powerful statement to camera. Upbeat, resilient music begins. End screen appears with cards for 2 related videos, e.g. how China's social credit system actually works, and the encryption war, privacy versus security, and a large subscribe button. Final line. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and we'll see you in the next one.